Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk around startup and a drive video for you on a 1961 Chevrolet Biscayne. Now, this beautiful car, I really love these cars. They call these cars flat tops because the back of the car is flat like that. So they call them flat tops. These cars are super cool. And this one is no exception to the rules. Has a 5.7 LS1 Corvette engine under the hood with a 6-speed manual transmission. Now, I got this car out of Arizona, so the body and paint and the undercarriage, this car is super, super nice, very clean, solid, original car. All leather interior, like I said, 6-speed manual transmission. Car has 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, vintage heat and air conditioning. Paint is beautiful on the car. Painted inner fender wells, firewall, bottom side of the hood, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. Say air conditioning. Just a very, very nicely built car. You could jump in this car and drive it anywhere. It runs and drives very nice. And that Corvette 5.7 liter LS engine is going to get you down the road wherever you want to go. The chrome bumpers on this car, very nice front and back. The stainless and trim around the windows is in very nice shape. Got one stainless strip down there in the bottom of the car. Billet specialty wheels. Brand new set of billet specialty wheels. Brand new tires. Check out the paint. It's just super nice car. The paint, the body lines. Open the trunk. The jack and spare tire and stuff are in the trunk. Oh, now I dropped the keys. Got, what, 3 or 4 keys on here. There we go. Spare tire and jack. Lug wrench. Jack instructions. Spatter painted trunk. Some nice mats down below there. Here. There you go. Just a really nice car. Your seals are in nice shape. They were all replaced when the car was done. Leather interior, bench seat in the front, matching upholstery front and back. Headliner, package tray. Door panels, the rear panels, all redone, all matching leather. New carpet in it. Wooden steering wheel. Got speakers down in there and your doors perforated. Say the doors open and shut very nice. Body lines are very nice. One little chip that they touched up here. Man, I would have thought they could have found a little better paint to touch that up with. If we touch that up, I'll see if I can find a little better color to match. And one spot right here they touched up, a little scrape on it. Outside of that, I don't see any bubbles, blisters. Nothing that sticks out to me to show you about, I guess. Oh, here we go. Neutral safety switch does work. Side headlight indicator works. Air conditioning works. Fans kick on. Tail lights, license plate light, turn signal. What a pretty car. Headlights not working. Yeah, it's burnt. You can see right there. I put one headlight in it. Very nice underneath the hood. You hear the cooling fans kicking on. AC's running. Check out the gaps, your lines on your hood. Say it's just a very, very nice quality car. And this car, you're going to buy a Resto Mod LS 6-speed with steering, brakes, and air. You're going to buy this car, and it's not $89,900. It's not $79,900. I'm pricing this car right down the line, $49,900. You're going to buy this car for $49,900. I know. I can't hardly believe it myself. We're having an inventory reduction. I have a lot of cars, and we need to move some. We need to move some iron. So that's why you're going to see a few cars on our website. And as I'm telling you these prices on the videos, I know it's going to seem kind of unbelievable, but that's what the prices are going to be. So. Sorry, folks. I had my there we go. There we go. Now we're going. Sorry about that. I had my seat up too far. And if you put your seat up, I put it up too far, and then the shifter wouldn't want to shift to the second gear, so I had it like underneath the dash, so a little uncomfortable for me to shift. But really runs out very nice. $55, $60 mile an hour, no issues. Drives nice. All the gauges work in it. What a gorgeous car. We'll spin around here quick, and I'll get out and walk around the car for you real fast. I always like to do that. That way you guys can see what it looks like outside. You see what it looks like inside the building, but sometimes it's nice to be able to get an idea of what she looks like out in the daylight. So I've always thought about taking my pictures outside, but it's kind of inconsistent with the weather a lot of times, whether you can take them outside or not, whether it's raining or sometimes it's just too sunny to take pictures outside. But there it is. What a gorgeous car. Nice stance, nice look. LS 6-speed. If I was going to keep it, I'd have to put a little bit louder mufflers on it. It's just too quiet. It sounds like a grandma car sitting there, I think. But it's a nice cruising car. It's not a car that's going down the highway and when you're driving it, you're turning, 4,000 RPMs at 60. This is a cruising car here. Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous little 61 Biscayne, give us a call. Or one of the other cars we have in stock. I'm trying to figure out what that, oh, it's something inside that ashtray that was rattling. There's a key in there. I was trying to, sorry folks, that was annoying me, so. Look at this thing, 60 mile an hour and we're turning like 1,700 RPMs. So this is definitely a cruiser. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be back at you in just a little bit here with another great quality collector car. Thanks for watching.